Hi, I'm Isaac, the creator of Solderdoodle. This is a new prototype with double the power called Solderdoodle Plus, a variable power USB rechargeable hot multi-tool with many attachments for soldering, cutting plastic, and wood burning. It has touch control with LED indicators, lithium-ion batteries, and lasts up to 1 hour at maximum power. Turn the power switch on to activate. Adjust the power by swiping the touch control bar up or down. Press down on the touch control bar to enable heating, and in 15 seconds you can start working. Lead-free solder with flux will be used for the following demonstrations. Conical tip is also available. Solderdoodle Plus can solder up to 14 gauge wire. Power levels 1 through 3 are great for cleaning 3D printed parts. Use the scooper tip to get inside deeper cavities and remove unwanted material without melting the main body. Use the needle tip to get inside small holes that are clogged or uneven without melting the surrounding structure. The needle tip can also create new holes in plastic. Cutting plastic with the blade tip is very fast at maximum power. The new spade tip can be used to open existing holes to a larger diameter or for countersinks. The new sharp tip can be used for wood burning. To replace the tip, wait a few minutes for the tip to cool, then use the tip removal tool to pry the tip off, then push another tip on. To prevent accidental heating, activate sleep mode by triple tapping the touch control bar and triple tap again to wake. When battery charge is low, yellow warning indicators turn on, and when the battery is empty, red lights flash, indicating Solderdoodle Plus needs a charge before continuing. When not in use, flip the power switch off and remove the tip. Solderdoodle Plus's battery pack uses a charge controller on each cell. Each charge controller is on an isolated ground, ensuring that each cell charges independently and never goes beyond the maximum and minimum voltage, which allows the cells to last 5 to 10 years before needing to be replaced. Solderdoodle Plus recharges from a USB port, and it can be used like a quarter device while charging. It's cordless, so you don't have to be close to a wall socket. Thank you for your support.